6 common ways to hold a child that can be dangerous for their health according to a study. Mothers who hold their children skin to skin experience less stress. That being said, it's pretty important how you hold the child, since many of the common methods can harm a baby's health. Thanks, it's important that we all pay special attention to the proper way to hold children. And it turns out that even a baby carrier can be dangerous, as well as swinging kids by their hands. Holding a baby under their armpits when you hold a baby. It is crucial that you support their head. Newborns don't have developed neck muscles. They could suddenly move their head, which could mean difficulties with breathing and injuries if their neck is not properly supported. They won't be able to support their heads by themselves until they are at least 4 to 6 months old. To keeping a baby in carrier, you can use carriers. But the main thing is that you have to know how to use them. It is necessary that baby's leg should be supported by the carrier and be held in the same way as the mother would hold the baby. Then the joints will stay in a place and the spine won't be harmed. Otherwise, if the kid's leg dangle, this can lead to serious hip disease like dysplasia or dislocation. 3. Keeping the baby's head on your shoulder. If you hold your baby chest to chest, then you should pay attention to the position of their face. It should be above the shoulder. If the kid's face rests against your shoulder, it can make breathing difficult. Also, part of your clothes may get into their mouth. For not cleaning side, it is necessary to switch the side that you carry your kid on. As we said earlier, baby's neck are weak, so it's important that the muscle development on both the sides. Otherwise, neck muscles on the side by develop less, and the child could have problem with turning their head. 5. If you don't support their back, you shouldn't hold child only by padlock and the head. First, there is a risk that child may fall. And the second, the spine is overloaded due to the lack of proper back support. So it's necessary to support the kid's back with one hand and their head with other hand. 6. Holding a baby facing out. It's not good to carry a child facing away from you. It's make it harder from the control the kid. Also, it create and dealing legs with. Therefore, it's better to hold the baby facing your chest. Pay attention and make sure to support the baby's leg and back bones. Pulling a kid by their hands. Don't pull a child up by their hands. This can cause sometimes called also known as pulled elbow, or this means that elbow bone is particularly dislocated with joint. This condition is common among kids up to 5 years old. It can also cause when you pull the child or swing them. But when the children reach 5 years old, their bones become stronger. Have you ever held a baby using one of their way described above? Which other dangerous position for the child you know about? You can share your experience